So I've gotten rid of my video self, since that's not really helping anything, and it takes a lot of time to upload those videos. But here's our function. I've redone it, and I've done it in 3 different colors. And let's look at how mathematicians express piecewise defined functions. So this one function for my distance away from home over time can be expressed like such. The function f of x, which expresses my distance away from home, f of x, at a given time, x, has multiple parts. And when we want to do a piecewise defined function, we use these big brackets. And we say, okay, f of x equals, well, I'm going to start with the value of my function furthest to the left. I always start on the far left and move to the right. And I say, okay, f of x equals, the first section of my function is up 1 mile in 7 minutes, so 1/7 x. And the y-intercept for my first part of my function, let's do it in red because it's the red part, 1/7 x. The y-intercept there is 0. 1/7 x plus 0. And this is the function if x is greater than 0 but less than 7. And now we're going to go on to the next section of my function, which is the green section. And here my speed changes to up 1 mile in 8 minutes, 1/8 x. And the y-intercept changes. So let's think about the y-intercept. The y-intercept needs to be 1/8 x plus 1/8. And the reason is, if I took this line, which we know only exists from here to here, and I extended it, let's say I extended that green part of the line where it doesn't exist, the place where it would cross the y-intercept, the y-axis, would be there at 1/8. It's not crossing the y-axis. You can't see that y-intercept, but that's where the y-intercept would be, so that this section of the line here, the green section of the line, is in the right place. So it's 1/8 x plus 1/8 if we're between 7 and 23. Because it took me 16 minutes to run those next 2 miles. And the last section is negative, because now I'm going back towards home. 1/6 x. And here, if I extended this line way up there, the y-intercept would be plus 41/6. If 23 less than or equal to x less than 41, because it took me a total of 18 minutes to get back home. And there's my function. That's the way it looks when you're all done.